So today what we're going to do is, I don't know if you could see it from this angle, but I'll definitely show a closer look. I'm going to try to remove and polish my pipe here, my exhaust pipe. I want to be able to get rid of all the discoloration and everything that's there. We're going to do like a before and after and see how we can clean up these pipes. The product I'm using is Blue Job. I've used it before on an old vintage bike and it worked great. But those pipes, believe it or not, weren't as discolored and messed up as these. So let's see how it goes. I'm using a screwdriver with the hex head bit to detach the covers on my exhaust pipe. You want to make sure that your motorcycle is cool before doing anything to your bike. I'm also removing my luggage rack, but only on the exhaust pipe side. Again, I'm using a product called Blue Job, which is a white cleaning powder similar to Comet or Ajax, and it's slightly abrasive. Although it comes with a small chrome polishing cloth, I'm using these polishing wheel sets that I bought from Amazon. They attach to any drill, and I literally bought them because Amazon said that Blue Job and these polishing wheels were often bought together. It only cost $16, so I figured I'd give it a try. Here's the before picture I took with all the covers removed. You can really see why this pipe needs to be cleaned. I start by dipping the polish wheel in water, just enough to make it damp, and then dipping it into the Blue Job container. The cleaning powder easily sticks to the damp polishing wheel, and then I apply it to the exhaust pipe. Make sure you don't use too much water or too much powder. You want to create a paste-like consistency as you polish the pipe. Using the drill and polishing wheels require a lot more physical labor than I expected. I really had to focus on controlling the drill so I can precisely clean certain areas. At this point, I found it easier to use the Blue Job chrome polishing cloth, which is sold separately. It's much larger than the cloth it comes with and works very well. I would sprinkle the Blue Job onto the damping cloth. Again, you want to create a paste-like consistency. Here you can see that I double wrap the cloth around the pipe and I end up with a shorter range of motion, but I'm able to cover more surface area. Next, I hose down the bike to quickly wash away all the Blue Job residue. The downside of using those polishing wheels is that it's messy. White paste was splattered everywhere, so I decided to clean my bike with dish soap and water. Once the bike was clean and dry, I reattached all the exhaust pipe covers and the luggage rack. After about an hour of work, you can clearly see the difference. And if you can't, here's the before and after photos. Overall, I have to say Blue Job really works. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to NYC Motorcycle Riders. And check out our website where we post blogs about motorcycle life, motorcycle advice, motorcycle tours, everything motorcycle. Thanks for watching.